What's up YouTube? This is Jesus again with another appliance repair video. This episode we're going to be doing a rather easy and common fix on a Whirlpool high efficiency top load washer. In this case, pulsator is really loose and it's not spinning the way it should, and it's giving like a kind of like a grumbling sound, and the only thing that's spinning is this cap. It's just going like that, where the whole drum should be spinning. So these are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver, 7/16 socket, pair of pliers. So first what we're going to do is this pair, or these flathead screwdriver. Going to pop the cap off. You'll see 3 on each side. Just gently turn it, pop it off. Set that to the side. Grab your socket. Screw that. Take the bolt off. Set those to the side. Grab your pliers. Grab the edge gently and lift up. Set that to the side. Alright, in this case, you get your screwdriver. Pop this little slide off. I almost forgot. So, in this case, we're going to be taking the screws off. It's good to use a towel, or you can put something to cover up these holes, because if you drop those screws, it's going to be a pain in the butt trying to get them out. Oh yeah, forgot to mention too, you probably need like a Phillips head to take off those 6 screws. In this case, I'm going to make it a little quicker, and I'm going to add a Phillips attachment. We got that on right now. I'm going to remove all 6 of these. Once those are all unscrewed, be careful trying to get all these 6 screws. You don't want them to fall down. And I have the other one over here. Yuck. So here's the new one. Take that little U-shaped clip off. This thing goes around it. Yeah, I should probably clean this shit up. Nice looking teeth on there. Get that thing on there. Again, be careful with your screws. Oh. I don't know if you see in there, but there's supposed to be teeth, and there's none. They are worn down so it's unable to grab, so it can spin the whole drum. This is obviously trash. Alright, you're going to realign. Sorry, let me focus on here. Make sure you can get your screws in there. So we're going to start on this side, since I got the towel over here. towel. See, it's nice and stiff now. You can actually turn it. Grab your bolt. Twist it in there. Nice and snug. Put your cap back on. And you're good to go. Easy money. Hope you guys found this video informal and saves you guys a couple $100. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.